AI the best and worst roommate for cybersecurity? Helpful, but snoops your digital snacks.
The Cyber Hunt Analyst 2 at Microsoft. So, ma'am, it is a pleasure meeting you here today.
Pleasure meeting you.
I wanted to understand, since you have worked with a lot of artificial intelligence at your organization, uh, according to you, what do you think AI is? Is it an enabler of cybersecurity or is it threat to cybersecurity?
So we need to understand that AI can be a double-edged sword. It can be an enabler and also can pose a threat as well. AI has got a lot of capabilities like let's say for example machine learning, which is a subset of AI, has the potential to identify hidden patterns within the data and identify relationships. So this is something that we could leverage in cyber security, especially when we are trying to identify patterns to various cyber threats. So this can be a huge advantage, and also it could be a disadvantage because of various privacy issues, like given that AI has the power to process massive amounts of data, it can also process private data as well. So we need to ensure that we regulate the kind of data that is being used to train these AI models. And one advantage that I can think of apart from this is also the huge amount of data processing. So as analyst, I know the amount of data that we analyze on a given day. But with the help of AI, we could automate most of the data analysis process when it comes to feature extraction or the EDA aspect when it comes to training the models. That can be a great advantage. And also a disadvantage that I can think of at the moment is that the models, when you train a model, it purely depends on the kind of data that you're using to train it.
Definitely.
So if you are using biased data, then probably your model could be working in favor of adversarial attacks. So we have to make sure that the data set that we are using to train the model is extremely balanced, and it also represents the sample size of what the actual threats that we see in the cloud space or in general.
Definitely, there needs to be a certain amount of ethical applications as well
Exactly.
with it. Also, just wanted to understand, since today you're here at CSA Bangalore chapter, I understand that you've also won an award, so I wanted to congratulate you
Thank
for
you
that.
so much.
How has your experience been here so far?
My experience has been wonderful. It's the first time that I have visited the Cloud Security Alliance conference, but it has been amazing. Seeing the kind of strength that we all show as a cybersecurity community is extremely motivating. I feel that given that technology is rapidly increasing, right? Today it's cloud and AI, tomorrow it could be blockchain and so many other technologies. So it's very important as a community we keep discussing about what we learn in the industry, so that going forward, whenever there's new technology, we as cyber defenders are ready with these frameworks and these knowledge to tackle these threats head on. So I feel CSA is a wonderful initiative, and I'm really grateful to the organizers and everybody who has recognized true talent, who are actually working really hard in this space. So I really like to congratulate CSA from the bottom of my heart, and I wish them all the best in their future endeavors.
Definitely, thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure meeting you here today.
Don't miss CSA Bangalore's Cybersecurity AI Summit. Register today.